Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the GasStop brand emergency shut-off valve for grills that you attach to your propane cylinder. And a couple of weeks ago, we had GasStop reach out to us. They had seen some of our propane tank and grilling videos, and they wanted to see if we would want to work them to sell their product on an affiliate basis. And I told them go ahead and send us a couple of them. We tried out, and if they were good, we'd recommend it to our viewers and our subscribers, and we've had it for a couple of weeks now, like I said, and we've used it, and it's a really good product. It's for propane safety when you're grilling or when you're cooking out. And basically, the GasStop valve has two functions. It's 100% emergency shut off in the event of a major gas leak. So if your your hose starts leaking, your regulator where it's connected to the hose starts leaking, or anything like that, it's going to shut off 100%. The safety valve that's on the propane tank itself, that's on the OPD, is not 100% shut off. It's down about 20 or 30%, and this is a complete shut off. And the other great thing about this product that I really like is it actually shows you how much propane is left in your cylinder. And when we hook it up and show you how to use it, I'll show you how it does that. But that's a great thing when you get down about your last 30 minutes of time left on to cook on your with your propane that's left in your tank. It'll show you that, and then you know to go get it refilled. But anyway, that's a great little feature. So the emergency shut-off valve is really easy to install. You just hook it up like you're gonna hook up your grill to your propane cylinder, and you want to make sure that the gauge and the primer, this is a primer also, is straight up or no more than about 30 degrees. I think it says maybe 45 degrees. So just make sure that the gauge is pointing up as much as possible when you install it, and that's really easy to do. Now, before I hook my burner up and show you how to use the emergency shut-off valve, I just want to point out that there's also other products like these pigtails that you can purchase also, and we're going to have links to be able to purchase this and an end screen. We'll have some down in the description. You can also get a 5% discount with a code that GasStop has given us when you get on our Amazon store and you buy one of these, and that code changes. So we're gonna have the updated code in the description. It changes every 6 months, I think they said. If you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give this video a like, we'd really appreciate that. And now to hook up the hose adapter to the emergency shut-off valve is really simple. You're going to do it just like you would hook your grill up or your burner right to the cylinder. And you turn it on, and then you want to prime it. It says 4 to 6 times. We do that, and then just light your grill, light your burner like you would do. So this is our review of the GasStop Emergency Shut-Off Valve. It's a good product. You kind of see this given a reading right here, and when it gets down to the red, that means you have about 30 minutes worth of cook time left in your propane tank, and you need to go get it exchanged pretty soon or refilled. So check this product out if you get a chance. Use our links, we'd appreciate that. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers, and as always, have a great day, and thank you for watching.